Falafel is a delicious and popular dish. It's a nutritious, affordable, and quick meal that originates from Arab countries and is served with different flavorings in each region. Ingredients needed: soaked chickpeas, 1 kilogram, parsley, 100 g, onion, 1 piece, garlic, 1 bowl, black and white pepper, 2/3 teaspoon, salt to taste, cumin as needed, coriander as needed, turmeric as needed, mango sauce to taste, sesame oil, preferably Eno. The first step in the falafel recipe is to soak the chickpeas 24 hours in advance and change the water several times. Put the soaked chickpeas along with chopped parsley, peeled and chopped onion, and peeled, clean garlic into a meat grinder or food processor, and blend them together. After blending the chickpeas, add salt, pepper, and the necessary spices for making falafel. Then, using a special spoon or molds available in the market, shape the falafel mixture into patties. If the mixture becomes watery, you can add a bit of chickpea flour to absorb the excess moisture. Try to shape the falafel into dome-like patties and place them in hot oil to fry until both sides are golden brown. When the mixture firms up in the oil, it will float to the surface. That's when you can flip the falafel to cook the other side. After frying the falafel, place them on a paper towel to absorb the excess oil. You can serve the prepared falafel with pickles, tomatoes, shredded lettuce, and various types of pickled vegetables, along with mango sauce, which is incredibly delicious.